So that r to the power n into r vector is irrotational vector. We know col phi a equal to phi col a plus grad phi cross a vector. We have proved this one in previous video. If you take phi, which is a scalar function, that is equal to r to the power n, and the vector function a vector, here it is given r vector, then what will be col phi a? Col phi a will be equal to col r to the power n into r vector, and that will be equal to, using this formula, this will be equal to r to the power n, because phi we have taken r to the power n, then col a or col r vector plus grad phi cross a, that means grad r to the power n cross r vector. And if you write in terms of the del operator, this will be r to the power n, col r vector is del cross r plus grad r to the power n is del of r to the power n cross r vector. And in the previous video we have proved that position vector is irrotational. That means if r is the position vector, then the curl of r, that is the del operator, taking cross product of r vector with the del operator, that will be equal to 0. This is nothing but curl r. So for position vector, because of the position vector is irrotational, the curl is equal to 0. So this one, that is the cross product of del operator with r vector, this will be, or this term will be equal to 0. Again you see the second term, this is the gradient of r to the power n, and we know in the previous video we have also proved that gradient of r to the power n is equal to gradient of, you write gradient of r to the power n like this, del operator with r to the power n, and that is equal to n r to the power n minus 2 into r vector. We have proved it in previous video. So if you take gradient of r to the power n is equal to n r to the power n minus 2 into r vector, then you have r cross r, and we know the cross product of any vector with itself is equal to 0. So this second term will be also equal to 0. So curl of r to the power n into r vector will be equal to 0, or curl r to the power n r vector is equal to 0. So r to the power n into r vector is irrotational. If the curl of a vector is equal to 0, means it is irrotational. If it is not equal to 0, then it is rotational. If the curl of the vector is equal to 0, then it is irrotational. So r to the power n r vector is irrotational.